This is Jeff Jennings with BIM Modular. Did you know in Revit you can use Unicode symbols to organize your parameters? So in this example here, we've got a door family in a project, and the instance parameters are grouped by the Unicode symbols. So we have all of our options, our assembly options, our symbol visibilities are grouped together, and also in our type parameters, we've also grouped everything by casing, frame details, glazing details. In this video, I'm going to show you how this is achieved. So to start, what we're going to do is I'm going to open up the family here, and I'll show you the family system. So if I go to family types, you'll see here all the stuff is broken down to. All we have done is created a new parameter. So I'm going to go ahead and set one up here. And we'll just call this our new group. And we're going to set this up here as a type parameter. We'll make it a text value. We can go and group this. I'll put this under graphics for right now so you can see what's happening in this area. And you can give it a tooltip if you want. Okay. And now we have a new group parameter in place. So how do we go about to create this unique symbol process? So I use a program called, just online, you can do any search for anything in regard to Unicode symbols. In this case here, you can go ahead and plug in the word that you want to type in. So this is the lingojam.com, and say this is a new organization, for instance. And on the side here, you have all of your options as to what formatting you may want. So let's just say we want to set up one here for this location, copy that. We're going to set up these are text parameters. So put the double quote and then Control V and then double quote again, close it out, and we now have this in place here. So I will like to go ahead and close for the holiday season with one as well too for you. And let's just change this on out here. And happy holidays. I'm Jeff Jennings with BIM Modular.